Welcome to The Explainer. So glad you're here. Today we're unpacking something literally life-changing. We're looking at the blueprint for everyday wealth. Specifically, we're breaking down the 10 exact habits that take ordinary Americans and turn them into millionaires. Okay, let's dive into that. Instead of just throwing a random list of tips at you, we're going to follow a structured roadmap today. We'll kick things off with the ordinary millionaire paradox, then move right into laying your financial foundation, building the growth engine, developing a wealth mindset, protecting and sustaining wealth, and finally, your blueprint for action. These are tangible habits you can start literally today. Okay, section 1, the ordinary millionaire paradox. We're flipping the script here. I kind of want to throw a wrench into what you might have been taught growing up, because while almost everything most people believe about getting rich is completely backward. Let me ask you a question, and I really want you to think about this for a second. What if I told you that becoming a millionaire has almost nothing to do with your salary? Crazy, right? We're so deeply conditioned to believe that building real wealth requires this massive, astronomical income. But the data tells us a completely different story. Now, what's really interesting about this is how the contrast plays out in the real world. On one hand, you've got the broke six-figure earner. You know the type. Earning massive paychecks, yet inexplicably drowning in huge car payments and zeroed-out bank accounts, basically staying broke for life. But on the flip side, the millionaire average earner, there are thousands of everyday Americans earning completely normal incomes who just quietly and systematically become millionaires by sticking to a few simple habits. Which brings us to section 2, laying your financial foundation, or building your defense first. Look, before you can ever grow your wealth, you absolutely gotta build a bulletproof defensive foundation. You just can't fill a leaky bucket, right? The flow of wealth is actually incredibly simple. Earn, save, and invest, and then spend. This is habit number 1. Everyday millionaires pay themselves first. They secure their savings before they spend a single dime on groceries, rent, or weekend fun. The absolute second that paycheck hits the account, a designated chunk is instantly routed to investments or savings. They don't just wait around to see what's left over at the end of the month. They make it a non-negotiable priority right out of the gate. And that leads directly to habit number 2, avoiding lifestyle inflation. If you haven't heard the term, lifestyle inflation is basically just the tendency to bump up your spending the second your income goes up. Imagine you get this fantastic promotion at work. Suddenly, you trade in your perfectly reliable Honda for a brand new luxury SUV, or you upgrade to a bigger house just because, you can afford the monthly payment. The everyday millionaire avoids this trap like the plague. They keep their expenses totally stable and reasonable, even as their paycheck climbs higher and higher. Another massive part of playing defense is habit number 6, which is avoiding bad debt. Bad debt is when you borrow money to buy things that actively drop in value while simultaneously charging you insanely high interest rates. Think about those 25% credit card balances for designer clothes or lavish vacations. Yeah, wealthy people absolutely refuse to pay that kind of interest to a credit card company. They clear that debt out immediately to free up their cash flow. And once that foundation is rock solid and your defense is set, well, you're ready for the really fun part. Section 3, building the growth engine. We're playing offense now. So the crucial point here is understanding how money actually multiplies on its own. You can't just save your way to $1 million. You got to put your dollars to work. 12. That's 12 months in a year, and habit number 3 dictates that millionaires invest in every single one of them without fail. They automate their contributions to their 401ks or index funds, and they literally never miss a month. This relentless consistency harnesses the sheer mathematical magic of compound growth. Over decades, those monthly deposits snowball into a massive fortune. It just becomes a mandatory monthly habit, as routine as brushing your teeth. Hand in hand with investing is habit number 7, building multiple income streams. Ordinary millionaires know that relying solely on one single paycheck from one boss for your entire income is, well, it's incredibly risky. So instead, they fire up the laptop to create side hustles, they build freelance businesses, maybe invest in real estate rentals, or to secure regular dividend payouts. They build these little rivers of cash flowing into their accounts from all different directions. But to actually build and maintain these streams, you need a pretty radical shift in how your brain processes the world. That takes us to section 4, developing a wealth mindset, the psychological phase. Honestly, how you think about money is every bit as important as the physical mechanics of what you do with it. Without the right mindset, even a lottery winner goes broke. And this brilliantly illustrates what we mean. We're grouping habits 4, 5, and 9 together right here because they form this ultimate winning mindset. First up, think long-term. Millionaires aren't falling for get-rich-quick schemes. They're playing a decades-long game. Second, read and learn continuously. The most successful people are absolutely obsessed with self-education, devouring books, absorbing financial content, just constantly upgrading their skills. And finally, surround yourself with smart people. Upgrading your social circle to include motivated, financially savvy individuals is literally the ultimate mindset hack. You naturally elevate to the level of your peers. Section 5. Protecting and sustaining wealth. Keeping it safe. You've earned the money, you've invested it properly, you've leveled up your mindset, but making the money is really only half the battle. Keeping it safe? That's where true generational wealth is forged. Habit number 8 is loud and clear. Protect your money. You absolutely must safeguard your hard-earned assets from unexpected life events. This means having an emergency fund, so a sudden medical bill or, say, a blown car transmission doesn't totally wipe you out. It means having the right health insurance, life insurance, and just being incredibly smart about the financial risks you take. One bad lawsuit or an uncovered emergency shouldn't be able to completely derail your entire life's work. No way. And here's our final crucial number for today. 10. This represents a decade. Habit number 10 is to stay consistent for years. If there is a secret sauce to becoming a millionaire, folks, this is it. Real wealth isn't created overnight on some lucky, flashy stock pick. Actually, scratch that. It's almost never built that way. It's built through the relentless, unyielding consistency of repeating these exact habits over 1, 2, or even 3 decades. They simply do not quit. Let's move to section 6 and see how this builds your blueprint for action. We've covered a whole lot of ground today, but all these pieces fit perfectly together to create a machine that generates lasting wealth. Let's just quickly recap the incredible journey we just took. First, you gotta build that defensive foundation. Pay yourself first, dodge lifestyle inflation, and absolutely crush that bad debt. Then, you fuel your growth engine by investing every single month and creating multiple streams of income. All the while, you're developing a wealth mindset, thinking long-term, learning continuously, and leveling up your inner circle. And finally, you protect and sustain the whole shebang with insurance and decades of patience. As an everyday earner, you now possess the exact habits needed to completely change the trajectory of your financial future. The blueprint is literally in your hands. I want to leave you with this really powerful mantra: learn, invest, grow. And my final provocative question for you is this: out of the 10 habits we explored today, which one are you going to commit to starting right now? Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. Let that sink in. If you enjoyed this explainer and want to keep fueling that growth engine, make sure to subscribe to Richify Finance for more investing, wealth building, and personal finance content. See you in the next one.